The corruption in Nigeria have eaten so deep that militias and bandits are taking over major cities. Nigeria Army cried out for help. Before the story, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share it to others. Some Nigerian soldiers at the 7th Division Maiduguri military cantonment in Maiduguri, Borno State in northeast Nigeria have said that the military facility for months has been lacking basic amenities such as electricity and water supply. According to them, their family members who have businesses are struggling to keep their enterprises running, with many already counting losses. They added that due to the poor power supply, powering of water pumping machine in the cantonment is now difficult. The soldiers insisted that their families are being subjected to acute suffering while they're in the forest fighting terrorists. There's no stable light in the Maiduguri military cantonment for over 2 months now. Out of the 24 hours in a day, we only have electricity for maximum 3 hours. Some days it is total blackout, one of the soldiers told Sahara reporters. How can we sacrifice our lives for this country, yet our superior officers are treating us like this? We leave our families daily in the barracks so they can enjoy basic things while we face the bush-fighting Boko Haram and ISIS terrorists. Some of us are posted to secure Maiduguri, Damaturu Highway both day and night despite this harsh weather condition, but our families are not benefiting right there. Treated like prisoners in the barracks. It was the BMO that removed the barracks light from the initial line that we do use. We are appealing to the new COAs to please get us back to this line. This ill treatment of soldiers must stop with immediate effect before it will result to something else. Imagine no available water, no better medical services to soldiers' families. Another soldier added, very alarming issue here in Maiduguri military cantonment Maiduguri. Our families are not happy with the directive given by the 7th Div GOC. There's electricity supply everywhere in the city, but here in the army barracks we only have 3 hours electricity supply. The reasons behind this still remain unknown. There is no water due to the unstable power supply. The current situation here is very bad and shameful. At least let our families benefit from good power and water supply while we soldiers are in the bush protecting Nigerians. It's unfair. Though we heard that the army authorities did that intentionally cause they don't want to pay much electricity bill. We don't want to believe this at all, so we want you to help us appeal to the acting chief of army staff who is coming to Maiduguri on Thursday for official visit to look into this. Today will be his first time of visiting the theater command since his appointment by President Tinubu. This wonderful Love YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe and share to your friend. Hit on the bell icon for more updates.